And we are back. Opening day 2024 DCW. Ben Blyer's up to bat against the defending champions, Henry Dunn on the mound. Blyer takes a strike. That one is slapped opposite field. JD throws it away. Not a chance.
That was a sick.
Just off the corner of the zone. Slaps that one up the middle. And that. Gets Blyer at second for the first out. What a play by JD Miller. Swing and a miss. And Aaron strikes out for the second out of the inning. Swing and a miss, strike three. And the Party Llamas are out of their first half inning. Bottom of the first. Party Llamas are up. Henry Dunn leading off for them. Huh? Here's ball one. Doesn't even matter.
Run that shit out. Run that shit
Slaps
out.
that one.
You fast as hell.
He is not fast as hell, but he does make it. And he got him on the nastiest pitch I've seen today. This is strike three anyway, so it doesn't matter.
Right up, please go first. Anyways.
Yes,
She hit the flow.
She hit the flow.
Hit the flow. Low.
And Tichy misses
Is that five?
outside. Misses outside, and Michael is off his game, it appears. Fisher is up. I'm gonna put some numbers on the board for the Llamas. 2 outs. And he smacks that one. Caught by Max Aaron, and that will end the inning. Swing and a miss, strike three. There's the first out, and that'll bring up Max Aaron. Aaron hesitant to step back into the batter's box, as he's had some close calls and some hit by pitches in this at bat, and that one strikes him out. Beautiful pitch on the corner.
Even if it was
Country girl, shake it for me, girl. I think it hit the zone. Swing and a miss.
That's pretty bad. Don't worry about it. You can't walk away all cool if you strike out like that. Yeah, I can.
Poke out. The pitch to Miller.
Swing
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
See you later. JD Miller, the first home run of the season.
Oh, that was kind of vibes.
I like the little run he did.
Yeah.
That was good.
And there's a bat above the field. Like baseball. Like a baseball bat flying around.
Got COVID.
No.
Shit.
I tested like 2 weeks ago when I first got sick.
I was
Even the freaky song.
The freaky song, swing.
Oh, get out of here.
That one is hit up. Max catches it
The,
for the out.
we had the whole
Nick was talking about it.
Swing and a miss.
Is that
And that is the inning. I'm gonna guess and say 1-0. I don't know. That one hits Max.
This is my 17.
right in the ass?
Good from Dunn. Misses high. And Blyer will take his walk. That one is crushed up the middle. Max coming home will score and tie the game. Now that is huge for Glover. Come set the pitch. Strike three. Oh my God. Swing and a miss. And the Llamas get out of it, but tie game. It's time to score. Party Llamas.
They said
That one,
there's a hit.
that looks like a hit. Yep. But a pretty good play by
And after Bennett's
Glover
hit,
to keep it close.
the Party Llamas looking to dance on to win this game. He puts a single-handedly out of stock every size. Oh, that was close. Was a walk?
I don't want to say anything, but the Llamas do have an energy that they're going to win this game. Pitch from Tichy. Swing and a drive. It's high up, but that's not far enough. Blyer makes the catch. All right, well, Bennett with a chance to win it all. And that one is a weak ground ball. Can Tichy field it? No, he cannot, but a valiant effort nonetheless. Henry done. Swinging. Oh, I don't know, but I don't think he went. Huh? I don't know if he went. It didn't hit it. It was a tough call, but the batter went. Strike three. Not more. Gone! See ya! Game one goes to the Party Llamas.
Oh no!
On the biggest moment of the season so far. Run your fucking bases.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go.
And we are back. Game two, first pitch, Max Aaron pitching for Glover. Henry knocks this one, caught by Ben, and that is an out.
That.
A little love tap. Fuck. Love tap's gonna be in the video.
Go on.
Oh. Team JD knows that.
Go on.
That one is.
I did for the.
Anus Fisher. That one's grounded.
Make a
Play by Max. Oh!
I kind of
He
wanted that
fucked
to.
it. Ben Blyer would be like, that's a strike on me because I'm so tall. I'm like, no, you're not. Oh my god! That was awful. They're all safe except for Max's nose. That is awesome. I'm so glad we have that on video. It hit him in the face. God damn it! It's so much less funny. Way up. Smacked.
No way.
Benry's coming around to score. That's 2 runs. And the pitch from Aaron. Hit by Bennett. Perfectly gone. Phone. Why is she blowing up my phone? Alone. And Henry does not swing at that one. It's a ball.
You can give a home run to me.
That one is grounded. Misses. Done. But Michael makes the play, and we'll end the inning. And we are back, bottom of the first.
What did you do with that?
Ben Blyer is up for the Lawnmowers.
If I do.
Did the camera get that? That one's up the middle. JD misses the play for Bennett. Throws it. Oh! He was safe. Safe anyways, but that was an excellent defensive effort from the Llamas. With my homies. Michael takes the ball 5. That one's up. Henry makes the play. There's an out. And we're back with Ben Blyer. Lines this one. It's gonna fall. Oh, and a terrible error. Maybe not an error. I think it was. It was pretty bad. It was embarrassing. Put it on the replay right now. And Bennett is crying at third base. He's actually crying. On the 3-time MVP candidate. That one crushed right to Bennett. He makes the play. Throws it into the outfield. But it's okay. He got the out. That one. Bennett with a chance to make another play. He misses. He misses him. That missed him. He is safe.
Is that a run? God, fuck.
And that is funny. Crushed up the middle. Dives. Dunn's got it. Inning over. It's a rough inning for Bennett Fisher.
Bennett Fisher is the worst fielder of all time.
Hey, thank you, Bennett.
Don't tell him I said this. He is so bad. I really hope Nick comes back soon.
Skibbity button. Oh wow, a single.
Okay.
That's really cool. Not?
Hey! He doesn't know we're celebrating. He deserves that. The pitch to Henry. Oh, swinging a grounder. No play. He still throws it. Beebadabadoo. Hey, he's stealing! No! That one's caught by Max. Bennett looking for redemption here. After nearly being dropped this offseason, this is the first time he's finding out about that. And he crushes this one. He was in the grass, so that's a homer, I believe. Too far, cause you know it don't matter anyway. Rich girl! You can rely on the old man's money. You can rely on the old man's money. It's a bitch girl. Bitch girl. And you're going too far.
What the
cause
fuck?
you know it don't. What is happening? Was your heart on the line?
It's gone.
Gone.
That one is crushed caught.
Is that two?
I say crushed every time that
That's
someone hits
three.
it. That's a big call. I do not think he's gonna deliver.
You're there. You're there. You're there.
He's not there. He was not in fact there.
Cooper. Nice.
You landed in the grass.
I made 2 of the 3 plays.
When I said that,
I'm so sorry. Cut that out, Henry. That one's a single, probably.
also, I think the Beatles were talking about holding hands with a girl.
Oh no, I'm like homophobic. Oh, what a play! Max Aaron is homophobic. What a play. Full count.
Ew. Ew.
That one's a grounder, kicked by Henry. The runner's coming home. No, he's not. No, he is not. Ben Blyer, evidently not fast enough. Because I don't fuck with big bars.
You want it?
No, I just said I don't fuck with it.
Michael, you should get frosted tips.
That would look awesome. I don't even know how that would work. That one's hit up to Blyer. He'll make the catch and end the inning. So, discuss it. Frosted tips for Michael or no?
When you're in the lowest end of everything, so why don't we
It's
go?
gonna clip the audio.
What's up? Freed's gonna be fun.
Come on, Henry, you gotta run that up. Okay, it's the worst play I've ever
Ask
seen.
me why my heart.
Pitch from Aaron. Crushed down the line, that's fair. Will Titchy get there in time? He will. The runners advance. And he walks. Somehow it still wasn't that far from being in the strike zone. I don't understand it. Neither should you. Run it out, Henry.
You'd have me singing all the questions.
When I feel you again, when I feel you again, he is safe.
Nowhere near.
That was crushed. Blyer taken out of position by trying to recover my throw. That's unfortunate.
That's like my sixth single.
No, it's not. When I feel you again, when I feel you again, that's an out, and then it's out, and that's the end of the inning. JD's gonna try and close it out. We'll see what he can do. We'll see what he can do right now.
We lose by 1.
Video started. Max is up. Makes the play, 1 out. As soon as you kick a ball near him, he's gone. This one is lifted for a single. Stayed in. Swing and a miss. That is the second out of the inning. And Max is back up in the box, man. Pitch from Miller's high. Max smacks it deep.
Go 3.
That's gonna be a single. Blyer tended to make it to third, and he does. Henry falls over, and he looks a little sick out there. He might have thrown up a little bit.
There we go.
Pitch from Miller. Slapped up. JD bobbles. Gets him out. That's game. And the Llamas, the party Llamas, sweep the Lawnmowers. JD is MVP of that last play.